In this session we're going to look at stock adjustments. So I'm going to say stock, utilities, stock adjustments. I want to increase or change my stock serial numbers. So at the moment it says I've got 5. I want to change it to 7. Now you've got to remember, IQFreepos does not have the creditors module, which means you can't use the full accountancy method to purchase stock. If you want to maintain on-hand quantities, you've got to do a stock adjustment. Okay, so once you've opened the screen, you can click on Enable Editing. That will allow you to move around in this new on-hand block. I'm now going to type in 7 and press Enter. If you want to change the cost price of an item, for instance, this item here, I'm going to change the cost price from 75 to 70 Rand. So now I'm going to say Enable Cost. Then it will jump from the on-hand field across to this new cost price field. We can use a filter to manipulate what we see in front of us. We can search. We can have the option Disable Editing off. That means you can't make any changes, or Disable Cost will also mean that you can't change the cost price. Export this data as possible to one of the formats available there. We can preview our list. The preview will only show your adjustments. If we can preview, we can design, and then we can print. Make sure that the date you select is always correct before you start making your changes. I'm now going to close the stock adjustment option and go and switch on my confirmation or stock adjustment confirmation reasons, and then I'll show you how to do a stock adjustment again. To ask you if you want to print it, I'll say yes. It will show me the items that I've adjusted. Close that, and I'm going to say Utilities, Setup, Company Details, and I'm going to say Enable Stock Adjustment Confirmations. I'm going to click on Accept and Yes. Now I'm going to just do a stock adjustment again. Stock, Utilities, Stock Adjustment. My data is still correct. I click on Enable Editing, and now I can make my change, and I'll press Enter. Now immediately my stock adjustment confirmation will appear, where I can now choose a reason for this stock take change. Then I can close my stock take. Remember, you create your reasons under Module Parameters, Stock, Stock Adjustment Reasons. Here's your reasons. You can come back to the screen at any time and add more reasons. And that concludes how to do a stock adjustment.